Guess what? Another Temu haul. They all just came in at once. It's really weird. My ship must have come in. So, this one is stuff that I purchased. It's not the influencer stuff. This is bought stuff. So these are awesome. Look at these slides. You know, they have shark ones, but then I saw these frog ones. They seem pretty good in the length. They're a little wide, but they are awesome. Look at them. They're just shocked. These are so good. Look at them. Look at the little feet on them. I have pictures of them on my feet too. Look at the feet. Look at the feet. They're really good. And they're squishy and they're comfy and they're super fun. You know, you can stick your toes through there if you want to. So these are very cool. And these were a $38.39. And I wear like an 8.5. So they're just a little wide, see. But I love them. He's wonderful. So awesome slides. And what else? This is a table runner. It's sort of a dupe for a linen one I have. Get it open here. Let's see. We had them with different color stripes. I got the blue one. Oh, big blue. It's not too bad. It's not woven. It's printed. But it was very inexpensive. So it's not bad. And I think it's 72 inches like that other one I have. This will be nice for the other times of the year. So very nice on that. What else do I have here? Oh, this is those, I think they're stretchy. No, they're not stretchy. These are weird. These aren't what I wanted. I wanted the elastic shoelaces. These are just shoelaces. I don't know, maybe he can use these too. I don't know. We got the elastic ones and those are pretty good, but these seem like, I don't know, we'll try these out, but they have little metal clippies on them. So I don't know if he'll want those. This is cool. This is a necklace. Let me get it out of here. That looks like a little fish in a bag. They have earrings too. Oh, this is cute. Can you see it? Here it is. And it has a little ring here. You can put it on a chain. But it's like a little carnival fish in a bag. So they're very cute. That was very inexpensive. And what else? Oh, this is a necklace. This was inexpensive as well. It's kind of a layered necklace, which I've seen a lot of those lately. So I figured it was for like $1.79. I'll try it. That's good. I got it kind of tangled up here. It's got like a green sort of a jade or chalcedony or something stone. Oh boy, I got it really tangled here. There we go. It's actually very pretty. And it's got a pretty good adjustable chain on it. So you can adjust whatever length you want. So I thought that wasn't too bad. Here's the front of it. Ah, that's not bad. Very nice. What's this one? Oh, these are awesome. These are Mario Brothers, those mushrooms, you know, the magical mushrooms that you're always trying to get in Mario Brothers. These are the earrings. this out of here. I will be right back. Here they are. They're just the classic little, I forget what these guys are called. The little mushroom guys from Mario Brothers. Very nice. I like those. Something else. Oh, these are really neat. You have a lot of cool acrylic pins and necklaces and earrings. This one you could make into a necklace too. But they're kind of, oh, I didn't know they were jointed. Look. They're big crab earrings. Those are snazbo. I could wear these. These would be very nice with the frogs. See, oh, that's quite lovely. So, crab necklaces for when you're going to the beach, you know. Very nice. Those are very cool. They must laser cut all this stuff like crazy. All right, I got something else here. Oh, I had ordered one of these Jolly D's here with one of my influencer hauls, but it never showed up. I suppose now it'll show up. I got this one. This is one of those spatulas that's silicone, which I like. But this is a nice long one for getting like down in jars and pans and in corners and whatnot. I like these. So very nice. More jewelry. Oh, I got these octopus too. I like the octopus when they're orange. Just something about it. Says he needs to be orange. Same with the crabs. Oh, these are cute. This would make a cute necklace too. You got wobble. Oh, very neat. You know, you could put bigger wobble eyes on them too to make it more spectacular. Oh, that's nice. Very nice. What's this? Oh, I just went crazy for the acrylic jewels. These are flies. I always like some flies. Oh, these are really neat. You can actually use a lot of these as elements to make some really nice, fun jewels. But I like these fly earrings. Anything else in there? What is this? I have no idea what this is. What is this thing? I don't know. This might be my mermaid I was looking for. Maybe. Maybe I ordered a couple more. Oh, it is. Oh, she's darling. Oh, she's little. Teeny tiny. She's resin. They don't have a hanger on there though, but I guess you can just set her on a shelf. Like that. Maybe, I'm not sure. She's darling though. They're cute. And I don't know what that is. Maybe that's to, maybe this is part of her deal. To stick her on the wall or something. This one got kind of squished. I think it'll be okay. I got two different ones. This looks like somebody's artwork from, I think, So Fine. Kinda. I can't remember her name. This one's nice too. Oh, yeah, this. I don't know. Maybe that's a stand you stick on the back. And this one's just facing the other way. So they're super cute. Yeah. They're darling. Well, I'll figure those out. And this, I don't remember what this is either. just like Christmas. It's a big surprise. What is this? Huh. Let's see. I don't think it's a bug thing. Oh, I know what this is. These are cool. This is a little LED light that you can put like a glass, anything on, and it'll light it from the bottom up. And they're inexpensive. I have one, a glass thing about this big that has a jellyfish thing in it. But I thought this would be kind of fun to put it on top of this. I think I ordered some of these in my influencer pack too. Should have got it wrapped up. Wow. Come on out, you. Oh, it's got a switch on it too. It's got little LEDs in there. Get more to open here. There we go. Oh, this is snazzy. I'll get it plugged in and show it at the end. It looks like this or like this. You know, this is one of those things that goes into a wall plug. Why don't they send you the part that goes into the wall plug with this? I'm having to buy these at the dollar store. You know, so if they're at the dollar store, they probably make them for 5 cents. Put one in, please. And it's going to switch. Oh, that's nice. Okay. I'll get this set up and show it in a minute here. We got one other item. Get stuff out of the way. Okay. What is this? Another surprise. Oh, this is like one of those Swedish horses, Dala. Ooh, oh, he's nice. Okay, he's a nice neutral. Okay, I like him. Very, very nice. I forgot I got him. So, I will be right back with that thing plugged in. Okay, I'm back. This is what I have to keep buying at the dollar store. You apparently can't have too many of these little pluggy jobs here. Anyway, I got this guy plugged in, and it's kind of cool. It's got a bright light. So, let's see. There we go. See, it's kind of bright. See, ooh, bright. But it's nice. So you can put a piece of glass on it like that. It's really nice. I like that a lot. And these are fairly inexpensive, like $5, something like that. And it's got a little switch. Yay. So I think that's what I've got in this haul. So I'll be back on another one. Bye.